Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a thread in Instagram bio on iPhone. First, you need to open your Threads application in your iPhone. Now go to your profile. Then tap on Share Profile. Then tap on Copy. Now tap on Instagram icon. After that, tap on Edit Profile. Then tap on Links. Here, tap on Add External Link. Paste the link to your Thread account here. Then enter the title as Thread. Now tap on Done. As you can see, our Thread link is successfully added. Now tap on Done. As you can see, our Thread link is now appearing on our Instagram bio. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.